Alright,
This is it.
we're about to go down Constitution Drive right now. It's the first experience. I don't know how it's gonna be.
Yo, son of a scared. I ain't doing it, yo. It's scary down there, yo.
Record the sign so you can see Constitution Drive right here.
Constitution Drive, yo.
Get out and film it.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Alright, man.
Oh, snap. You freaking stupid, yo.
Nah, no high beams, nigga.
Go ahead and punch
Why? Holy crap, yo. I don't know about this, dog. How do we turn?
Alright, the guy that used to live in this house, he died.
Oh, hell no, son.
Holy crap. Right here. It's a bleeding rock. This rock. Oh, no. Is it that one?
Screw that rock, yo.
Here, look. It looks like it's bleeding. Look. It looks like
That's great, yo. I don't care about a rock. I gotta look ahead, yo.
Holy crap.
Yo, the door's unlocked. We're good. I'm not scared, nigga.
Shut up, Jesus. You're worse than us, yo.
Slow. Why you speeding, nigga?
Yo, do 15.
Come on, man. Look,
You're gonna piss him off.
Jesus, I love you. I love you, Jesus. I love you. You don't put your window down, nigga, you stupid. Yo, dude, is that a head? I think that's a person's head.
Oh, it's not.
Dude, what is that then in the bushes?
What? This is a freaking rock, dude.
Oh, okay, just checking.
You're so blind.
So stupid.
my legs gave out for
Yo, stupid. Like my freaking legs are like shaking, yo.
Mine too.
It's to get too freaking cold in here, nigga. Nah, shut up.
Yeah, right there, right. It's right here. See his legs are on.
Turn the right.
Shut off your legs, nigga.
Nigga, shut up.
It's right here.
Dude, why would you live here, yo?
Go slow, go real slow.
Holy crap.
Look it. Look at all the cars in the front. Look at all those cars. And it says dog bite.
Where's the dogs at? You freaking
Dogs are not out. Look, if you look through his window, you might see him walking around, yo. You should stop so we can look.
Stop for what?
Let's go through it again.
Let's go through it again, yo.
First time you always have to go through it again. Because you never know what you see coming back.
Knock crap off. Let's put some,
I don't understand
let's
what
put
you're
this
saying.
music, let's put this song on right here.
Express yourself.
No, we're about to put this. Oh, wait, where is it?
RESPECT.
Yo, I was mad scared when I heard that little voice in the background, nigga.
Yeah.
What song is this?
Yes. All I need is you.
Wow.
All I need is you, Christ.
Okay.
Look at it. You don't lie. Your heart rate is like, yeah. I'm about to like put my hand
It's
up.
not even scary no more.
Oh hell no, yo! It's talk about side of the road.
Oh,
you
what's
crazy?
that on the corner of the road?
This is
Side of the road. For that song.
Remember when you're a little kid? Remember you're a little kid? You used to hide under the blanket when you're scared.
Yeah.
I'm afraid to hide under a blanket now.
Yo, Johnny, yo, you're sleeping over, right? Alright, we're good.
I'll
We're
let
cool.
you know.
I'm about to cuddle with you real quick. Go home.
Wow.
You better edit that, son.
Dude, I got sleep with my back.
What's that red light,
yo?
Oh, what is
The
that?
train? It's the train, yo?
Yeah, it's a train thing.
It's like stopped. Trains can't
Wait,
stop.
what's that noise? Stop.
Dude, it's
Just
like,
stop the car. I think the train's coming.
No, don't touch the car, crazy.
dude, what's that bright light over there? Dude, there's a bright light over there.
That's one of the
That's a
train
city, yo.
No, dude, that's not. Dude, nah, dog. I don't remember seeing that red light, yo. The only red light I remember
Well,
seeing.
we're coming the other way.
But maybe there's another one.
Oh, shit.
There's a pan.
Mickey, you want to sit up front?
Yo, my legs.
Yo, you guys are keeping me out.
No, dude. Dude, you saw that? I saw that.
Slow down. What is it? You heard that?
That's a train. It's a train track.
Nah, dude, man. Dude, that's the freaking dude getting his legs chopped off, yo. No, that sounds like some person whistling, yo.
He was whistling when he was walking his dogs.
It's getting louder.
Oh my god, I seriously heard something.
You did?
Yo, they're getting louder, yo.
Sounds like it's right next to us, yo.
Where's it coming from?
Yo, it sounds like people. Yo, that's not a train, bro.
Dude, that's not a train, yo.
What the heck, yo? Holy crap.
I can't move.
What the heck? Yo, that's not loud. Don't go on the freaking. Watch out with the bullet. That is not a train, dude. Trains don't make that sound.
Trains do not make that sound.
Heck no. Because that sound is when they. Because that sound is when they're braking.
Yo, sound like.
It sounds like music though.
It sounds like some music, like music, nigga. Like some holy music, but at the same time.
I'll do it with you. It's getting louder, yo.
Just stop so we can hear the train, Travis. Nothing's gonna pop out.
Yo, do the freaking bleeding rock. Is that bleeding rock?
No, it's down in the beginning. We're almost done.
Dude, that's not. It doesn't sound like a train.
It's not a train, dude.
What is it, yo?
It's someone whistling. What the heck's that laying in the middle of the road?
That's the same thing from before. It's the same thing from stuff.
No, dude, we passed the pile of stuff.
No, we didn't.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it was right in the beginning.
Yo, I never heard this whistle. You heard it? You heard
Yo,
the dog bark?
what was that?
That was a dog bark, dude.
Holy crap!
Shh, stop the car, I want to hear it. Shh.
It stopped.
It stops right when we stop driving.
It's like different tones. Whistling is like different pitches.
That sounds so nice, yo.
Yeah, it does. That's the scary part.
It sounds really soothing. Yeah, but see, dude, that's what I'm trying to say, dude. There's no way a freaking pipe can make things like that. That's it sounds. You actually know what it sounds like, Tim? Tim, it sounds like when water. You know, like when like the crystal glasses go. They go like around like that.
Yeah.
That's what it sounds like, yo.
What if it's just bums doing that?
The bums freaking have real crystal. You can only do
No,
it with
just like
real
playing
crystal.
something, playing instruments. I don't know.
But every night.
every single
Why
night.
not? They had nothing else better to do. They're bums. What else is it gonna do? Just freaking make music, yo. That's what we would be doing, but that's their music. Not just one tone.
Just slow up.
You wouldn't stop your car? Yo, tell me you don't hear that. Stop your car, son. For real. Make no noise. Just keep it like on first.
That's a train. Stop.
I swear, people screaming.
So did I.
Well, dude, if you think about it, the city's right there. People could just be walking around screaming. Like, we're not that.
Dude, the city's mad far, dude.
Dude, there's a
not.
whole lake, dude.
There's a huge lake right in between you. Look at Google Maps. Look at Google Maps.
Dude, it's another car. Crap. It's not the fence.
It's not?
No, because they don't.
Oh.
2 cars?
Holy crap, Adocious.
Freaking crap.
Watch me know these people.
Dude, why is the dude like going in the middle of the street like I can't
I'm
get through?
saying. So
Oh snap!
it is a cop?
It might be
No.
No, they'll put the lights on right now.
Yeah, dude, he flashes.
It's a van.
It's a van and a freaking another van.
There are 2 vans, yo. Freaking kidnapping people.
I'm saying they kidnap little people, little
Kill
like,
them and put them
children, and they bring it back
Music is life. Music is life. Gonna have you.